Hello, this is my product review for a Bachelor of Education at the University of Queensland. Now, I subscribed to higher education at the education department called University of Queensland. I signed up for 6 years. It was supposed to be 4, but I just loved it so much. I had to go back and finish off subjects that I failed. But after that, they said, once I do all my subjects, I will have a guaranteed degree. A Bachelor of Education primary schooling. So, the highly anticipated document, the product of 6 long years of hard work, and the document that has put me into a crippling debt I will be paying off for years to come has finally arrived here. And I'm going to do a product review on it. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my delivered degree after I practice a little bit of editing. What was that? This is it. The package I've been waiting for. This package was actually delivered to my parents' place. I must have changed my address at least 3 times on the website while studying, and somehow they are still sending packages to my parents' address, which is quite strange. We open up and have a simple folder. I might add there is nothing impressive about it. My name is not on it. My faculty is not on it. This is no doubt a folder they have used for every other student graduating. Inside there is an inexpensive plastic sleeve that is holding my degree. Quite underwhelming to say the least. Over $30,000 in debt for such an underwhelming package. On it, there is my name, my degree, a big blue dot, the signatures of older important people, and a sticker that I'm sure is there for security purposes. It is quite rigid on the back. It looks like a paper stamp. Included with my degree, there is an official transcript that I will not be showing because of the shame it will invoke in the deep crevices of my heart while seeing the subjects I had failed. Overall, I rate this as an unboxing experience a 2 out of 10. You can tell there is no pride in the packaging, no pride in the folder. It doesn't even make you feel good when you open it. It's literally just another folder that happens to say graduation on it. And then 2 pieces of paper inside. You can tell there's no pride being taken in the packaging of this. Compare this to an Apple Watch or something like that. There's nothing here that makes me giddy, jumping out of my seat, excited to see what's inside. Even though you know what's inside, it's the unboxing that makes it feel so much better. Now, there could just be a few small things that I think they could change to make this better. On this little folder, graduation, it's boring, lame, who cares? It should include the small things that make it just a tiny bit better. Well, small things that make a big difference. If this had my name on it, Archie Jack Johnson, embroidered with the gold, the date I graduated, and my faculty of education, I think that would make a big difference. Not only would I want to keep what's inside the folder, I'd feel a bit of sentimental value on the folder itself. But that's just me. I personally think we should expect more from our universities. I'm literally thousands of dollars in debt. And they can't even be bothered to put my name on the folder they gave me for my graduation. I know some people may say that education is worth that much, and it is very worthy of that cost. I believe it's almost priceless, and I'm very privileged to be in a country that allows me to study and get higher education. But with the amount of money I'm spending and the amount of money 45,000 other students are spending at the University of Queensland, I think a little extra could go a long way. Now, what do you think? Do you agree with me? Do you think we should expect more from our universities and their graduation? I spent 6 years there. I went there longer than I went to high school. Or do you think that this stuff doesn't matter? It's just a certificate. It's just a stepping stone. I shouldn't care about it. I think we should care about it, but that's okay. If you disagree or agree, tell me down in the comments below. But it was actually quite interesting doing this. Now, looking through here, it's literally just a certificate. I feel as though they could even add another piece of paper on the front saying, congratulations, you have passed this higher education. Not even a so long, good luck. Not even a good luck. Am I right? Or a so long, to be honest. It just says Bachelor of Education. After 6 years, you just say so long and good luck. But that's my opinion. I expect more from a world-class university. What do you think? I'll see you later.